Not getting Google Chat notifications on your mobile device? Let's walk through some common reasons why this might happen and how to fix them. If you're not getting any notifications, the first thing to check is the notification settings on your mobile device. Start by opening Settings. Then find the Google Chat app in your list of apps. Go to Notifications and make sure that notifications are turned on. You can also go into the settings of the Google Chat app. Under Notifications, check that Mobile Notifications are turned on. Also confirm that Do Not Disturb is off. If you get notifications sometimes, but not always, go onto your computer and close any active Gmail or Google Chat browser tabs you might have open. When you're in a browser, notifications show up there instead of the mobile app. Even if you're not active in Google Chat, notifications will show up on all devices where you're signed into your Google account. Finally, if you're not getting notifications for a specific conversation or space, check the settings for that chat. Tap the conversation's name at the top of your screen and make sure notifications are turned on. These settings sync between your web browser and mobile device. For more help, visit the Google Chat Help Center.